Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious vanilla caramel latte. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready, including quality espresso beans, milk, vanilla syrup, and caramel sauce. We will then walk through brewing perfect espresso and steaming your milk to the ideal texture. Finally, we will combine everything to create a warm, comforting beverage you can enjoy anytime. Let's get started on crafting your perfect latte. To begin, brew 1 to 2 shots of your favorite espresso directly into your serving mug. While the espresso is brewing, steam about 6 ounces of cold milk using your machine's wand. Aim for a creamy, frothy texture, ensuring the milk reaches a temperature between 150 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for sweetness and proper foam. Tap the pitcher to remove any large bubbles. Now it's time to assemble your latte. Start by adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of vanilla syrup to your mug, adjusting to your preferred sweetness. Next, pour in the freshly brewed espresso shots. Then, slowly and gently pour the steamed milk into the mug, holding back the foam initially to integrate the milk. Once the mug is nearly full, spoon the remaining foam on top, leaving a little space for the final touch. For the grand finale, generously drizzle caramel sauce over the top of your latte's foam. You can create a beautiful pattern or simply cover the surface. If you desire extra indulgence, a dollop of whipped cream can be added before the caramel. Serve your vanilla caramel latte immediately to savor its warmth and rich flavors. Enjoy your perfectly crafted, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.